The Sun and the Moon's Argument. In the heart of Africa, beneath the vast, star-filled sky, the sun and the moon were having an argument. The sun, blazing in its golden glory, said, "I am the most important. I give warmth and light to the world. Without me, nothing would grow and the earth would be cold and lifeless." The moon, serene and silver, replied, "That may be true, but I bring calm and rest. My gentle light guides travelers in the night and allows the world to rest and rejuvenate." Their voices grew louder, echoing across the land, until a wise old woman named Abena, known for her wisdom and calm demeanor, decided to intervene. "Why do you argue?" Abena asked. "Both of you are equally important. Sun, you bring life and energy, making the day bright and vibrant. Moon, you offer peace and guidance, allowing rest and reflection. Without either of you, the world would be incomplete." The sun and the moon paused, reflecting on Abena's words. They realized that their roles were indeed unique and valuable. The sun, glowing softly, said, "Thank you, Abena. I see now that without the night, my light would be overwhelming, and without the rest you bring, moon, the world would be weary." The moon, shimmering with understanding, added, "And I see that without your warmth, sun, my cool light would be too cold, and without your energy, life would not thrive." From that day on, the sun and the moon stopped arguing and began to appreciate each other's contributions. They understood that they were both vital to the balance of life, each shining in their own time, bringing their unique gifts to the world. And so, day and night continued to follow each other in harmony, teaching us the value of different roles and perspectives in life, reminding us that every contribution is significant in its own way.